When you're injured at work, this is what you're entitled to. You're entitled to go to a doctor of your choice in any and all related treatment. The workers' comp insurance company must pay for that. That is not to come out of your own pocket. That is not to come out of your private health insurance. When you're injured at work, you're entitled to what's called reasonable and necessary medical treatment. Depending on the type of your injury, if you're deemed totally disabled, you're entitled to have your lost wages paid at 60% for what you gross for the year. If you're deemed to be partially disabled, you're entitled to 60% of what that partial amount would be. If you are injured at work, you're entitled to a copy of your workers' compensation file from your employer. You should not talk to your human resource person, and you should not give a recorded statement to them or the insurance company. You are not required to give any recorded statement, and you certainly should not give any recorded statements if you retain an attorney. Under the workers' compensation statute, you cannot be fired for filing a workers' comp claim. This is very important. I have represented many individuals over the past 19 years, and when they have finally come in to see an attorney, their first number one fear is as to whether or not they're going to be fired for filing a workers' compensation claim. You cannot be fired or any form of retaliation by your employer if you're injured at work and you assert your legal rights. If you are filing a workers' compensation claim, you can file a claim at the Massachusetts Commission Against Discrimination, or we can file a claim in Superior Court for retaliation. I myself have personally done that on behalf of injured employees, and I've won at both the MCAD and I've won before a Superior Court jury for retaliation. You get injured at work, you didn't ask for it. All you're seeking for and all you're technically entitled to is your reasonable and necessary medical treatment, your lost wages, and any medical treatment that will hopefully get you back to work as soon as possible. The employer cannot retaliate against you. You're not required to give any recorded statements to the insurance company. And once you hire a lawyer such as my law firm at Facchini Law Firm, we become your mouth and ears and we handle everything for you. Don't talk to anybody.